Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and welcome. So today's video is going to be a fun one. I am going to be showing you guys an updated recipe for my body butters. So here I'm just going to be showing you a bunch of clips of all the ingredients that I'll be using. So for my main butters, it's going to be cocoa butter and shea butter. And then I'm going to include clips of my oils that I use, which if you see my previous video for the lotion, the recipe, well, the ingredients are pretty much the same. It's just I'll be using more butters than obviously what I used in the lotion recipe. But I don't know if I want to make this into a butter or if I want it to be considered a body cream. For those of you who are familiar with the Body Shop, I feel like this body butter ended up becoming comparable to that type of texture versus the typical all oils and butters in a regular body butter, if that makes sense. Since this recipe does include water, I feel like the consistency is a little bit looser, but you don't have to worry about it melting, which is my biggest annoyance when it comes to making body butters. So I thought I will try this recipe out, and honestly I loved it, so I wanted to share with you all. So yeah, I'm just going to pretty much speed up the process of me making the butters. And yeah, it's gonna be like the same process, melting it down, mixing the water into the oil phase, and then using my stick blender to mix them all together. So yeah, let's just get right on into the video. Also in the next clip, I'm going to put up my recipe on the screen so you can definitely screenshot this and try it out for yourself. And yeah, let's get on into this, guys. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. So the preservative that I'll be using is again liquid Germal Plus. With Germal Plus, you have to make sure that your ingredients are at a temperature below 176, and you would add 7 to 9 drops per pound. So since this recipe is for an 8-ounce jar, I would then add about 4 drops of preservative to my mixture. So similar to the lotion recipe, once you add the water to the oil phase, you would pretty much pulse the body butter mixture every like 5 to 10 minutes until it starts to thicken up on its own. I like to leave it alone for a little bit and then come back and mix it. But once you are done mixing everything, you will have a beautiful thick consistency. So this is a jar that I'll be using. I got these from Amazon, and here is what the texture of the body butter looks like. It's very fluffy, it's thick, it's like a conditioner, like a leave-in conditioner consistency, but a little bit thicker. It has a little bit more moisturizing feel to it. I don't know really how to describe it, but It's good, it's thick, it's nice, and comparable to the Body Shop body butters. So definitely give this a try and let me know how you like it. Also, I didn't include any fragrance with this specific recipe because I wanted it just to be a plain body butter that I can pretty much just put on whenever I feel like it. I didn't want it to have a fragrance because, you know, not every day I want to smell like cucumber melon. So if you want to add a fragrance, you can. I think it's pretty much standard information when it comes to cocoa butter. You know, it has that nutty scent to it. So if you're not a fan of that, you can definitely try a different hard butter like cocoa butter. I know that's a hard butter. You can do mango butter. You can do, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's like Manu butter or something like that. But yeah, you can play around with the recipe with the hard butters. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know if you like it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment and subscribe. And have a good one. I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Stepping spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Just another react.